The following tools are essential for your project. Professional painters depend on these tools to save them time while making their job easier. Now let us show you how to use them effectively. A painter's knife, also known as a 5-in-1, are used for scraping, picking, spreading and opening cans and lids. Now every professional painter carries one of these, and this is an important tool to have on all your jobs. A putty knife. Now these come in different sizes and widths. Typically a putty knife is flexible, which provides a clean and sharp edge while filling and spreading material. Phillips and flathead screwdrivers. This is a necessary tool to have on hand during your painting projects. Now you will use it to remove blinds, switch plate covers, light fixtures, and door hardware. Rags or cloths. You will need rags to prepare any surface before applying paint. There are many options to choose from. Recycled rags, terry towels, and our favourite choice for interior use, microfiber cloths. Why? Because they leave less residue on clean surfaces. Bucket and bucket grid. Now, the best way to save time is by pouring paint into a bucket instead of a tray. If you are continuously having to refill the tray, it increases your chances of spilling the paint. It is always better to combine as much paint as you can into one bucket. This will prevent discoloration and streaking. Extension poles. This tool comes in many different sizes. Now we recommend you use this no matter how big or small the job is. It will give you more control and leverage while making your life easier. Now painting can be exhausting, and this tool will help to keep your hands, arms and back from fatiguing. Now here's Justin Kolosinski from Cali Paint Co. to tell us about the importance of using the right rollers and brushes.
This is your 99-cent paintbrush. Here are some reasons why I would not recommend using this brush. 1. It's a throwaway brush. You use it once, you throw it away. 2. You will not get a professional looking paint job when using this brush. Why? Because you'll leave bristles in the surfaces you just painted. 3. The brush is rather slim, which means you will constantly be re-dipping your brush, which will take more time. And 4, the bristles are frayed. They look a little bit like split ends. You will not get a clean and straight line when using this brush. This is a quality brush. You will not have bristles falling out when using this brush, which means you won't have to spend time picking bristles out of the surfaces you just painted. This brush will hold more paint, and it is designed to give you a straight and clean line. This is your quality roller. This roller will save you time and it will save you money. This roller is made up of quality fabric, which will allow you to spread the paint further, giving you a more consistent and even paint sheen. You will burn through about 50 of these cheap rollers in the lifespan of just this one quality roller. That means you just saved around $70. Bottom line, if you want a professional paint job, you need to use quality products.